Hi, who are you?
Hello, I'm Nori
Where do you come from?
from Hungary.
And my question is, what kind of evening was yesterday?
Yesterday was French evening, and the French people in this camp, they made French food for us.
Oh, and did you like it?
Yes, it was good.
And what did you eat?
First it was a wine, and there was seafood with seafood, and then meat with meat, and the
Did you like the dessert?
dessert was the better. That was palaccinta with caramel or with
Chocolate?
chocolate. Yes.
Okay, so you like it.
Uh, yes, it was very good.
Okay, thank you.